Hello, and welcome back to Easy Recipes with Dee. Today we're making a simple but super flavorful dish, crispy breaded pork with plenty of vegetables and fluffy jasmine rice. Before we dive in, I'd love to know in the comments, what's your favorite way to eat pork, and what's your go-to side dish to serve with it? I'm always looking for new ideas. Alright, let's get cooking. We'll start by prepping the veggies. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. I like to smash them first to save time. Dice a quarter of a yellow onion. Dice a quarter of both a green and red bell pepper. And slice up 1 king oyster mushroom. I'm currently in Vietnam, so that's what I'm using, but if you have button mushrooms, 3 or 4 of those work great too. Heat a teaspoon of oil in your pan and sauté the garlic until fragrant, about 1 minute. Then add your veggies along with a little salt and pepper. Cook them for about 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. If you're still with me, thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how the recipe's going for you so far. Would you make it exactly like this or add your own twist? Let's chat in the comments. Then set them aside once cooked. Now for the pork, season your chops with salt, pepper, and garlic powder on both sides. Quick tip, I always let my pork rest at room temperature for a bit before cooking. It makes such a difference in how evenly the meat cooks. For the rice, I'm using 3/4 cup of jasmine rice with 2 cups of water, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of oil. Get that cooking in your rice cooker. Mine takes about 25 minutes, so I start that in the middle of cooking. Next, let's make the coating. Mix 2 tablespoons each of cornstarch and flour. Coat the pork chops evenly, pressing it in so it sticks well. Don't toss out the extra coating just yet. We'll use it later. In a hot pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Once it's spread out, lay your pork chops. If you notice any bare spots on your pork, sprinkle on a little more of the coating mixture. Cook for about 8 minutes per side, checking to make sure nothing's burning. Add more butter or oil if the pan looks dry. This video is brought to you by Travel With Us for Life, where we share our adventures from around the world right here on YouTube. As we travel, the kitchens and appliances we use are always changing. So my goal is to bring you simple, delicious recipes you can easily make at home. No fancy gadgets required. If you'd like to join us on our travels, check out our other channel, Travel With Us for Life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there. While that's cooking, let's whip up a quick sauce for the veggies. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of water, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and finally 1 teaspoon of ketchup. Mix until smooth. Once your pork is done, set it aside to rest for 5 minutes before slicing. In the same pan, toss the veggies back in and pour over the sauce. Let that cook for 2 minutes, just enough for everything to coat beautifully. I love cooking, and I hope you're finding this recipe just as fun and easy to make. If there's a dish you've seen that you'd like me to simplify, drop it in the comments. I'm always on the hunt for new ideas to put my own twist on. Who knows, your suggestion might be my next video. Now, slice the pork, plate it up with the veggies and a side of jasmine rice, and you've got yourself a hearty, flavorful dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing so you don't miss future videos. It's free and a great way to support the channel. And tell me in the comments, what's one veggie you always have to include in your cooking? Thanks again for watching, and have a wonderful day or night.